I'm Tom Meyer. I'm retired. My fitness background was pretty much recreational athlete, wanting to do skiing, biking, and running.
And my name is Julie Meyer. I too am retired. And my primary sports that I enjoy doing for recreation are biking, skiing, and running.
I gave RuckFit a try through Fluid Health and Fitness because I had always heard that RuckFit was, from what I had heard and what I had seen, it was hiking with a backpack on. But through Fluid Health and Fitness, it was so much more than just hiking with a backpack. It was working on all the things I'd be doing inside, but being able to do them outside. And so just kind of shaking up my fitness routine and working on some different things. What surprised me most about the program once I started it was all of the different activities we were able to do with the Ruck Pack. And like I said earlier, it wasn't just about walking with a pack on. It's so much more upper body and lower body, and just working on a complete variety of things. We did it completely virtual, and the coaching helped quite a bit because we wouldn't have known anything at all what to do. So, and just being guided through with Ryan and Fluid Health and Fitness, being able to give us the cueing and the physical prompting that we needed to get through the exercises completely helped. Doing it outside was interesting because we had a lot of people coming by asking us what we were doing. And so the community support was interesting and it was fun.
I think my deficiencies or my imbalances are starting to become a little more balanced, and I'm happy about that.
I think with a lot of sports, it's like making a commitment to something. And I think once you make a commitment to it, you're going to be feeling a lot better. I'm really afraid when I see like the whole kettlebell thing or the whole, what's the gym thing where they do the
Rage.
No.
CrossFit.
CrossFit. It's all that stuff is too much, and I know I'd get just smoked by it. Where this starts out at where you are, and then continues on from there. So I would say that would be the number one way to try it. If you're looking at something that's going to be a lot easier to get into.
And if they're hesitant about the commitment, they don't have to do everything live or as it's happening. They can do it on demand and when it fits into their schedule.
For us together, being able to do the workout together, it's always fun to take time to do stuff with my training partner here. And that just kind of keeps it easier to do, and you kind of motivate each other, and that's been a good life changer, as well as just keeping up on all the fitness stuff in your body.